Hi, today I will talk about chatbots that engage with voters, VR in American schools, Amazon's new AI models, and a British lab focused on AI security. I will also look into China's challenger to OpenAI, Elon Musk's controversial recruitment drive, and the skill gap that could bring business down. Let's dive in. Researchers at the London School of Economics have been experimenting with AI-powered chatbots, including ChatGPT, to conduct interviews. In a recent study, ChatGPT took on the role of a university professor discussing the choices of the French citizen in the June 2024 parliamentary elections. All participants knew they were interacting with a chatbot, and they were recruited through the prolific platform. Interestingly, many felt comfortable sharing their political views with this virtual interviewer. They praised the AI for not judging or criticizing. This virtual professor just listened and asked follow-up questions. Still, researchers wonder if AI can truly replace a human interviewer. Can a chatbot really tap into deeper emotions and nuances, or does it stay at the surface? In other words, can artificial intelligence not only simplify but actually enhance social research? The answer remains to be seen. The Journal reports that Los Angeles Unified School District team up with Avantis Education to bring VR and AR into the classroom. Over 60,000 class VR headsets are now creating a bridge between a traditional schooling and the immersive world of VR and AR. With resources in Eduverse, students can dive into STEM, history, or career education in more engaging, interactive ways. This two-year partnership is designed not just to enrich the curriculum, but to spark greater interest and support better academic results. LA's virtual learning environment could inspire schools worldwide. And now we are going to AWS. At the AWS reInvent conference, Amazon introduced Nova, a family of multimodal AI models for text, images, and video. Highlights include 4 text models, ranging from lightning-fast handling of simple into complex linguistic operations. There's Canvas for image editing and Reel for creating 6-second videos with plans to expand to 2 minutes. Every Nova model is optimized for efficiency and fine-tuned through AWS Bedrock. But that's not all. Amazon plans advanced speech-to-speech models and an any-to-any concept for transforming any media into any format by 2025. The AI world just gained a powerful new toolkit. TechCrunch reports that UK is establishing a new research center to counter AI-driven cyber threats. The Laboratory for AI Security Research will focus on protecting the UK and its allies, especially against attacks potentially inspired by Russia. Facing this fast-paced AI arms race, LASR will work with key partners like the Five Eyes, NATO, and renewed research hubs including Oxford University. The goal is to create advanced AI defense tools, boosting cybersecurity and safeguarding the interests of the UK and its allies. A new contender has joined the AI race, backed by significant Chinese support. Alibaba unveiled its QWQ-32B preview model, challenging American powerhouse OpenAI. With 32 billion parameters and the ability to process up to 32,000 words at once, this model excels at logic and math tests. But it's not all black and white. Although QWQ-32B preview is available on Hugging Face, it's subject to Chinese regulations. That means its responses are carefully filtered according to local standards, especially on political topics. In other words, the global vision of open, powerful AI meets the reality of geopolitical control and censorship. Even though the model shines in puzzles and math problems, it struggles with common sense reasoning, so I have to ask, is this a real move forward through international competition with OpenAI, or a show where AI's freedom of speech is limited and answers are tailored by a political compass? Time will tell just how open Alibaba's model really is. It's not news without Elon Musk's. Today I'm looking at his latest initiative, and as usual, it's stirring controversy. The billionaire announced a recruitment drive to the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, a nod to the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, aimed to cut what he sees as wasteful government spending. Sounds interesting, but the conditions might raise eyebrows. Musk wants volunteers with super high IQ who believe in minimal government, willing to work 80+ hours a week, all without pay. According to Musk, the work will be tedious, but it could bring real changes to the system. If you are interested, you can apply through X, formerly Twitter, and the premium account required has been lifted. The real question is whether anyone accepts such extreme terms and no pay, or is this just another media stunt by a controversial entrepreneur? I will have to wait and see if Musk's promises government efficiency become anything more than marketing hype. Work-life news highlights a serious skill gaps that could threaten many businesses. While 75% of organizations already use AI, only 1/3 of employees received training in the past year. This gap gets more pronounced when men make up 70% of those with AI skills and younger workers are trained more often than older ones. On one hand, companies are racing ahead with new tech, while on the other, a large segment of the workforce is left behind, deepening existing market inequalities. Experts warn if employers don't invest in training and developing all their employees, they could soon face a severe talent shortage that hold back their AI potential. Maybe it's time organizations realize that investing in people is just as important as investing in technology. Otherwise, who will lead their digital transformation tomorrow if so many are unsupported today? Thanks for tuning in. I invite you to join me again for more episodes of Edu News.